Melbourne, the World's Mission. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'll be doing my April bullet journal setup aesthetic desktop theme. Hi guys, it's been a while. I know I've been so silent to uploading videos these days. I'm a college student and I had no spare time to film and edit a video. Also, I have lots of reasons in terms of resting a bit. For today's video, I'm going to share my realizations and thoughts as I was resting for a while in my YouTube channel. I apologize for not uploading a March bullet journal setup, so I brainstormed lots of aesthetic themes and ideas for this April month. I decided to rest for 1 month in uploading videos every week because it's tiring, especially when no one appreciates it. I came to the point where I don't want to continue uploading it in some videos, thinking that this kind of platform doesn't suit me well. But then, as a person who hates steady days, there are 5 things I realized throughout my resting phase that help myself grow more and better. First on the list is that it's normal to be not so productive every day, contrasting to what social media influences an individual. The truth is, that's the reality. The reality is sometimes we are at our weakest form in life, that we need to just sleep on a cold weather, sit without thinking anything, watch your favorite movie all day. It's normal that we don't do such things that we are in need to do. Study days are normal. It helps us to meditate and take time for ourselves, for our pleasure time, the things that we are comfortable in doing so. The things that we are not held accountable for. It's normal to rest. We are also humans. Being productive is real, but every day I'm not sure of it. Secondly, great things take time. I think we are all aware of that saying. This will test your patience, to clap and celebrate when you are the only one who supports you, and to cherish the smallest things when you had achieved bigger. It really helped me to not pressure ourselves. That supports my third realization. We should not compare our journey to others' journey, for we also don't know some of their ups and downs. There is always a right time for our spotlight. Don't be so pressured. Our life is not a race where we should be always first. We get tired easily if we did not experience some downfalls. Patience is the key. Just wait, and as you wait, don't just sit all day and wait for a miracle to happen. The miracle is in you with a hub of your determination and passion. Someday, we will reach it. And lastly, quality over quantity. Before I enter into this YouTube community, I was someone who gives advices to grow your channel for just a spare time. She said that we should always upload it. But then I realized, as I was uploading every week and sometimes twice a week, the quality of my videos are seemingly rushed. People will subscribe and support you when they think you are deserving to. That helped me to not just upload, do something that gives growth to your channel. And yeah, that's all my 5 March realizations while resting. I hope you also gained some lessons. Please don't stop journaling. This hobby helps us to realize smallest to biggest things. And if we ever forgot these kinds of realizations, we could always step back a bit and reminisce to learn and grow better. And now let's focus on my April bullet journal setup. I chose this theme, aesthetic desktop theme, without an aid of reference. I did my commission rates with the same design and template, And so I realized that I can use this theme for my April bullet journal setup. This kind of theme gives me a cute and Korean vibe. I mainly revolve with 5 colors, pink and purple skins. Put some desktop icons, clock, ladder, and tabs open. So for this section, this is my habit tracker. I just draw some tabs open because this is an aesthetic desktop theme, and draw some things or some squares, fill it in with my 6 or 5 colors. So for the layout of this habit tracker tabs, I divided it with 3 divisions. So the first division or the first level is where I'm going to put the habit or my habits. And then the second division is where I'm going to write the weekends like Sunday to Monday. And then the last division or the bottom part is where I'm going to put the days or the dates where I will going to put or color after I did the habit. So this is where I put my mood tracker. So I use a notepad theme for this, and then open a tab or put a tab on the right side for the color reference. So I just use like a notes in iPhone or in MacBook. For the days of April, I just draw some circles that symbolizes bullets, and then erase some sketches and marks. And that's it for my April studio setup. But for a bonus type or part, I'm going to include this video, my setup for every day or every week's setup.
Long time.
Yes, ma'am. A lot of water under the bridge.
Some of the old songs.
Yes, ma'am.
does it for my April bullet journal setup, aesthetic desktop theme. I'm so happy for how it turned out. I hope you like it too and gave you some ideas for your next bullet journal themes. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell so you're always notified whenever I post my YouTube videos. Bye!